Your resume is your first impression in today's competitive job market. A well-crafted resume is non-negotiable. It's your first opportunity to make a strong impression. Think of it as a snapshot of your professional life. A strong resume can mean the difference between landing an interview and getting lost in the pile. Your resume is a marketing tool. Its purpose is to sell your skills and convince employers. It should be concise, easy to read, and tailored to the job. Recruiters often sift through hundreds of applications. A compelling resume can make you stand out. It's a strategic document that tells your professional story, highlight your accomplishments, and align with job requirements. A well-written resume captures attention. Optimize your resume with relevant keywords. A standout resume goes beyond simply listing your work history. It grabs the reader's attention from the start. Use a clean font, clear headings, and bullet points. Avoid overly decorative fonts or excessive formatting. Begin with a compelling summary statement. Use strong action verbs and quantify achievements. Focus on accomplishments and impact. Use the PAR method to structure bullet points. Your resume is a reflection of you. Follow these tips to stand out and land that interview. A well-formatted resume is easy on the eyes and simple to navigate, increasing the chances of it being read thoroughly. Use a standard resume format, such as chronological, functional, or combination. Choose a clean and professional font like Arial or Calibri in a size between 10 and 12 points. Use bullet points to list your skills and experiences. This makes your resume easier to scan. Be consistent with your formatting throughout. Maintain balanced white space. Ideally, it should be no longer than 1 to 2 pages. A well-formatted resume shows your attention to detail. In today's digital job market, many employers use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to manage the influx of resumes they receive. These systems scan resumes for keywords related to the job requirements. Failing to include these keywords can result in your resume being overlooked. To identify relevant keywords, carefully review the job description and note the specific skills, qualifications, and experience emphasized. Use these keywords naturally throughout your resume, particularly in your summary statement skills section and work experience descriptions. Don't try to stuff your resume with keywords. Incorporate keywords that are specific to your industry or field. For example, if you're applying for a software engineering role, include keywords such as programming languages, software development methodologies, and cloud computing. If you're in the healthcare industry, use keywords like patient care, electronic health records, and medical terminology. By strategically incorporating relevant keywords, you can increase the visibility of your resume to ATS and improve your chances of getting noticed by recruiters and hiring managers. Remember to use keywords naturally and avoid keyword stuffing, as it can make your resume appear spammy and unprofessional. Experience showcasing your skills and accomplishments. Your work experience section is the heart of your resume. It's where you provide specific examples of your skills and accomplishments in previous roles. Start with your most recent job and work your way backward in reverse chronological order. For each position, include your job title, the company name and location, and the dates of employment. Use strong action verbs to describe your responsibilities and achievements. Instead of saying responsible for, use verbs like managed, developed, implemented, or achieved. Quantify your accomplishments whenever possible to demonstrate your impact. Focus on achievements that are most relevant to the target job. If you're applying for a management position, highlight your experience in leading teams, managing projects, and exceeding targets. If you're seeking a role in sales, emphasize your track record of exceeding quotas, building client relationships, and closing deals. By providing concrete examples of your skills and accomplishments, you give employers a clear understanding of your capabilities and how you can add value to their organization. Remember to tailor your work experience section to each job you apply for, highlighting the most relevant information. Tailoring your resume, hitting the right notes. One of the most important aspects of resume writing is tailoring it to each specific job application. Employers can spot a generic resume a mile away. Take the time to customize your resume to match the job description and the company's culture. Carefully analyze the job description and identify the key skills, qualifications, and experience the employer is seeking. Use this information to guide your resume writing, emphasizing the aspects of your background that align most closely with the job requirements. Highlight relevant keywords from the job description throughout your resume. Research the company's culture and values. If the company emphasizes teamwork and collaboration, highlight your experience working effectively in team environments. If innovation and creativity are valued, showcase projects or initiatives where you demonstrated these qualities. By tailoring your resume to each job application, you demonstrate your genuine interest in the position and increase your chances of standing out from other candidates. Remember, a well-tailored resume shows employers that you are a good fit for both the job and the company. Industry insights, resume tips for different fields. While the fundamental principles of resume writing remain consistent across industries, there are specific nuances and expectations for different fields. For example, resumes for creative industries, such as graphic design or marketing, may benefit from a visually appealing layout and portfolio showcasing relevant work. In technical fields like software engineering or data science, it's essential to highlight your technical skills and proficiency in specific programming languages or tools. Resumes for academic positions should focus on research experience, publications, and presentations. For government jobs, it's crucial to follow specific formatting guidelines and include relevant keywords from the job announcement. Resumes for healthcare professions should emphasize clinical experience, certifications, and licenses. Research industry-specific resume templates and examples to get an idea of the common practices and expectations in your field. Network with professionals in your industry to gain insights into what employers are looking for in resumes. Proofreading power. Avoiding costly mistakes. Proofreading is an indispensable step in the resume writing process. Typos, grammatical errors, and formatting inconsistencies can make you appear careless and unprofessional, potentially costing you the interview. Read your resume thoroughly multiple times, paying close attention to detail. It's helpful to read your resume aloud to catch any errors that you might miss when reading silently. Ask a friend, family member, or career counselor to review your resume for grammar, spelling, and clarity. A fresh pair of eyes can often spot mistakes that you may have overlooked. Use a grammar and spell check tool, but don't rely on them entirely. These tools can catch many errors, but they are not foolproof. Double-check dates, names, and contact information for accuracy. By taking the time to proofread your resume meticulously, you ensure that you're putting your best foot forward and presenting yourself as a polished and professional candidate. Remember, a well-written and error-free resume can make a lasting impression on potential employers. Beyond the resume, additional job search tools. While your resume is a crucial component of your job search, it's not the only tool at your disposal. A compelling cover letter is often required and provides an opportunity to elaborate on your skills and experiences, highlighting your enthusiasm for the position. Your online presence, particularly on professional networking sites like LinkedIn, is becoming increasingly important. Create a complete and up-to-date LinkedIn profile that showcases your skills, experiences, and recommendations. Networking is a powerful job search strategy. Attend industry events, connect with professionals on LinkedIn, and reach out to people in your network for informational interviews. Prepare for job interviews by researching the company and practicing your answers to common interview questions. By utilizing these additional job search tools, you can enhance your visibility to potential employers, expand your professional network, and increase your chances of landing your dream job. Remember, a comprehensive job search strategy goes beyond simply submitting resumes. Ready, set, apply. Your dream job awaits. In conclusion, crafting a compelling resume is essential for unlocking your dream job. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this essay, you can create a resume that showcases your skills, experiences, and potential to potential employers. Remember to tailor your resume to each specific job application, highlighting the most relevant information. Proofread your resume carefully to eliminate any errors that could undermine your credibility. Use your resume as a foundation for other job search tools, such as cover letters, online profiles, networking, and interview preparation. The job search process can be challenging, But with a well-crafted resume and a proactive approach, you can increase your chances of landing your dream job. Remember to believe in yourself, stay persistent, and never give up on your career aspirations. Your dream job is out there waiting for you.